everybody and welcome back to Discover with Moni Mouse. I'm on a Disney Magic in front of our stateroom. It's an Oceanview Stateroom and I show you how it looks inside. So that's how our door looks at the moment. I will put magnets later on and show you how it looks like with our magnets. So let's enter the stateroom. So we have a small bathroom here on the left with a toilet and a small bathtub and a mirror. Hello. We have also some soap here and some room to put makeup because we are 4 girls, we need a lot of space. So there's another bathroom here with a shower and a small bath. We have the reusable shampoos and conditioner and body wash. We have a body lotion here, another tap and another mirror. So it's very small, but it's okay. At least we have 2, so we can split in the morning and everybody can do her makeup. So I entered the stateroom through this door, and then here we have a small cupboard with a lot of hangers. We have a safe down there and a lot of space to put our clothes in, and there are the rescue vests, I think it's called. Then we have, of course, Walt Disney himself. He has to be everywhere. And we have some cups. We have a lot of spare room to put our clothes and everything else in there. As I said before, we are 4 people in this cabin, and that's 1 bed. We have 1 double bed, another mirror. A lot of mirrors here in this stateroom. And what I love, you see first little Mickey hats, and on this lamp there's small castles and they show where Disneylands are in the world. So that's really, really cool. I love that detail. So we have a telephone down there, and then we have Mickeys everywhere. Mickey here as well. I love the theming. So yeah, that's 1 bed. Then we have the sofa here. When the turn down service is coming in the evening, they will put that in the bed, and the 4th bed will come up right there. So I'm going to sleep there because I'm the youngest and the fittest who can climb up the stairs. And then we have another nice picture here. The second star to the right, notes. So opposite from the sofa there's another mirror, of course, enough mirrors. And then we have a little lamp with little Mickey hats. We have a magazine, also in German, I can read that. Bibidi Babidi Boo's Boutique. I'm not going there. And then we have a lot of space again, and then we have a hairdryer here and a small television here. And under the television you have a fridge, which is empty, but you can store drinks in there or some food, as you wish. And as I said before, we have an Oceanview stateroom, so we have 2 small windows, and that's our view outside of the window. So we are on the 1st floor, so very close to the ocean, but I like the view. So I finished decorating our stateroom door. We have a little Disney Magic magnet, our Facebook group logo, and we have a Captain Mickey, and of course promotion for our YouTube channels. And don't forget the fish extender. And by the way, that's the bed where I'm going to sleep. So what I also wanted to show you, you have the whole variety of Disney movies. You can watch all animated movies, Pixar movies, live action, on demand. So yeah. If there's any Disney movie you missed in your life, you have the opportunity to watch it here. I hope you liked this little overview about our stateroom on the Disney Magic. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to watch the vlogs. Bye guys!